So I got this order online for Spyro Collector's Edition on PlayStation, and we sold it on our website or on eBay. I'm not sure which one it went out on, but either way, I'm going to show you how I packed this up. So I got the packing slip over here. I'm not going to show you the details, but got the packing slip for the customer. I printed this from our point of sale system. And I just want to show you how we ship out these games whenever we get an order on eBay or your own website. So you got the game here. Everything's looking good, nice. These are a little bit older CD discs, so I want to make sure they're going to be protected pretty well. So I am going to be shipping this by parcel in a box. I've just got a standard eBay box here, an 8x6x4, which I'm going to be using to ship this guy out. So let's go ahead and make sure it's nice and protected. So I've got some leftover bubble mailer here that I keep on hand from other shipments that I receive. I like to keep this here just in case for times like this. Okay, just want to make sure it's nice and protected. So we are just going to wrap the whole thing in a little bit of bubble. Okay, this bubble, you can order some more yourself, but like I said, this one here I've saved and kept on hand from other shipments that we've received, and I always like to reuse packing materials where I can. Just tape that up, okay. And then in the box, I've got some brown void paper here. It's what you call void paper. That's just basic, packing paper. It's just brown paper here. Call it void paper to fill the void, so to speak. Put a little bit of a layer there at the bottom. Gonna place the game gently on top. Okay. Now I'm just gonna put some more void paper on top to sort of fill in all the creases. You don't want the game or the item flopping around too much whenever it's going into transit. So I'm gonna do one, just a little bit more, just to fill up that space, make it nice and snug in there. Okay, go like that. And then I have the packing slip. This one was downloaded from my Shopify store, but you can also get packing slips right from eBay or from whatever other platform you're using to do your sort of online fulfillment. Put that on top. Then I've got my promo code, which I include in all my shipments. I'm going to go ahead and seal up the box for transit. We're going to be shipping this by Canada Post, by parcel. Tape it up and seal it. Now this is a domestic shipment, so I'm not too concerned about the way that it's taped. If this is going international or for like a really long distance, what you want to do with the tape here, when you get extra tape, you actually want to put it on the edges and fill in those creases there. So every single side like that needs to be filled. That's the proper way to ship out any parcel in a box if it's going for a long distance, but this one's sticking within Canada. I'm in Canada. I'm not really too worried about it, but if I was going to ship this down to the United States, I would make sure that's nice and sealed up. Okay, and I will be right back because I'm going to print off the shipping label. Okay, so there's the printed shipping label. I'm just going to chop it up over here on my scythe, my table scythe. Okay, and then what I like to use are these little plastic sleeves that I got from Uline. Just a little insert where you pop in your shipping label, you stick it on top. If you don't have one of these, it's okay. You can just tape your shipping label right on top as well. But I'm going to take the shipping label here. Going to slide it inside. Take off the sticky back. And stick on the shipping label. So there it is, nice and good to go, ready to ship. That's it.